Alright, well I'm here with my 2020 Chevrolet Silverado. I'm going to show you where the cabin air filter is located and how to pull it out. Go to your glove box. You have a damper here on the side you're going to need to disconnect first. All you have to do is pull the little damper piece to the left and it'll unclip. You hear it unclip. Then you need to pull your glove box. There's these little stoppers here. Pull it this way, past the stoppers. Same thing on this side. Push it, and you can lower the glove box. And the door will come right off, and you'll see this is the damper here. And up here is where you have the cabin filter. That's where it's located. Alright, so right here you're going to push this in, and then you can remove the door. Once you push this in, you're going to pull it and it'll come loose, and then you're going to move the door to the left and it'll come right off. There's the filter there. And all you got to do is pull it right out. So this truck's pretty new, so this filter shouldn't be very dirty. When you get your new one, just push it back in and make sure you take note of direction. And I'll leave a link down in the description box where you can get a new one of these if you need a new one. Push it back in there, slide it over, push, and put the door back on.